So this drill is lateral dribble hops. You could also call it +2, -1 dribbling, whatever you want. The goal of this is we're going to be down in our stance. We're going to dribble and step into each gap. So we're going to skip one gap into the second gap and then immediately go backwards to the first gap. So that's +2, -1, +2 again. Got to bring it all the way over here. One dribble, back here, all right? -1. +2 again, -1. +2, -1. +2 into the gap each time. The goal here, we want to have these cones about just outside of your frame, a little bit more than shoulder width. That way we have to work a little bit to get into the next gap. We don't want to have it too far, but we do want to work to be able to get a little bit further apart. Now I'm going to do this full speed. Some of the keys to pay attention to, we don't want to have any violations. So we're not trying to carry or travel with the ball. We want to keep our hand on top of the ball the whole time. You also want to keep your hand about shoulder height. We don't want to dribble too much higher than that. We want to keep it realistic in the game. If you do have to do too much violating to make it happen, probably need to bring the cones in or work on your mechanics a little bit more. But this is how it should look when you go full speed. That's exactly how that should look. Nice footwork. We want to be in athletic stance the whole time. The point is to compensate with footwork and quickness, not with carrying the ball. So always keep that hand on top of the ball. We also want to make sure we can go both ways. After that, we're going to do both hands. So now we're going to go backwards, same exact details. Now, if you can see, that one is a little bit different because it is a pulling motion as opposed to a pushing motion. That's why it's important to get both sides of it to make sure we get the details of which way you're going with the ball, right? After we do that, we're going to switch sides, switch hands, and do the exact same thing. This time we're starting with our pulling motion. All right. Get in that gap. Notice how my hand is always on top of the ball. It doesn't come above my shoulder, right? Same thing going back. Notice how active my feet are the whole time. Feet are moving. We're not standing still. That's what helps you get those quick feet while you're moving.